What's going on, guys? Kyle here from Guidewise, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create meeting scheduling workflows in Lindy. In the left column, select New Chat, and in your new chat type in Create Meeting Scheduling Workflow. Lindy will then provide you with a number of options. So as you can see, it said, are you asking me to set up a new automated workflow, create a workflow in the Lindy system, adjust your existing meeting scheduling settings, or something else? So I went with option 1 and said, set up a new automated workflow. Lindy then responded and asked for some clarification. Is it auto reply with available times or something else? So I said auto reply with available times, and it should watch all emails, not just specific emails. It then responded with done. I've set up your meeting scheduling workflow. Here's what's live now. So the trigger will watch all incoming emails for scheduling keywords. When someone emails asking to schedule, the trigger fires. Lindy will then extract the meeting details from the thread, check your calendar for 3 open slots that fit, and reply to the thread with those 3 times in a clean, friendly format. And that's how easy it is to create a meeting scheduling workflow in Lindy. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to Guidewise.